John Paul Jackson, many of you have heard of him, a great prophet who died prematurely, called her and said he was caught up into heaven in the visitation. And an angel of the Lord said, every revival has had an instrument that led that revival. And he talked about the piano and the other instruments, but he said the next great awakening will be with the drum. I believe that when Linda said to me, I didn't know this just a week and a half ago, she said she had a visitation that when 120 drums and 120 shofars were released, it would release a great awakening. I want us to believe God and release faith all over this place for something.
The 120 drums came into vision in 98 and 120 jubilees since the time of Adam. And they are in the vision, in the images of the cherubim or the cherubim, and the four images of the beast, that the wheel within the wheel of Ezekiel that guards the mercy seat of the Lord to bring glory back to North America, our home and native land, to bring realignment. In the 120th, represents the governmental perfection and order. 120 in Genesis, Yahweh said, I will not strive with man more than 120 years. Therefore, the time of flesh is over and it's Yahweh showtime. The time of man following man and exalting man is over. It's time for us to turn back to God and exalt Him and His Son. And it's about the King of Kings and the Lord of